Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. In today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 19th, 2024, we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. And the first one I will do is the 3 star Sudoku number 9618. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the 3 stars usually has 25 printed digits. This one has 3 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle I need to be faster than 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. And for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, question is it a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 6, 7, 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 9. Need a 6 here. 7. Need a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so the last column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here or there. We have a 9 in the last third row, no 9 there. 9 in the second row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 9. 8 in this row, first row. 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. I need a 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 6. Okay. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 2 in this row. Should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this row for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square. 2 numbers left. Up here, for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so the third column. Only place left the 5 should be there. 3, 7, 8. Then 3 missing numbers in this column, third column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Well, we have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in the third column. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this third column for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left with the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left with the 3 should be there. 1, 1. I need 3 missing numbers in this second row. One of the missing numbers is 4. Here can be 4 because we have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. So the 4 in the second row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 and 5. Alright, and now 2 numbers left in the first in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, and 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left with 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 4. 1, 1, 2, 2. I need a 5 here. 5, 5. Alright. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the third row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left with 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left with the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 7. Need to wait. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8. No. The other pair in this big square, there are 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. 2, 7. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in one of these 3 boxes in that column. So the column between the middle column. Only 2 places left with the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 7, 8, and the 2. I need a 2 here. 2, 2. 7 and 8. Come on. 8, 8. How about, do we have all the 6s? Yeah. How about the 5s and the 3s? 3, 3. Need a 3 here also. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last one. No 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in this column. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. And we have a pair. The 3 and 8 in this column. The 3 in one of those 2 boxes. And the 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left with the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5. And now we have here a pair, 7 and a 5. That means 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. Here should be the 7 and the 5 in the last column. 7, 5, and a 3. Okay. Interesting. 2 numbers left now in this row for the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, we have 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7 also here, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 7 in this last row, 7 in the row above, so that row, the only place level 7 should be there, and I've eliminated there the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square, 7 or 5, we have a 7 now, so this box should be a 5. 7 and a 5, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 and a 5, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1, 5, 8. Well, we have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there, 5 in that row, no 5 there. So the only place left of the 5 should be here. So the 1 and 8 are left. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so last row, the only place left of 8 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 11 minutes. Well, told you. Should be at 0 stars. Because I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.